Good evening. Today we're going to listen to a lecture about finance and financial future. But before listening, I want you to look at these statements about money and check the response that best describes you. Okay? Yes. Good. Great. Thank you. Some of you say, I have specific plans for my future. And some of you say, I save money for when I am older. That's great. Many of us say, I think it is important to finish a college degree. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for checking all these. And let me ask you a couple of questions about finance. Your finance, of course. Do you sometimes think about your life in the future? Yes. Good. Good. How will it be different from life today? What do you think? Yes. Good. Very good. Folks, income, that means the money we earn, often plays an important role in our future success or comfort. And how we treat money now can affect how much we have in the future. We're going to listen a listening passage. But before I want you to look at these words and phrases taken from this listening passage. In order to get familiar with the passage, please let's look at these words. Yeah, they are annual, credit cards, debt, deposit, earn, establish, interest, investment, and require. Please read these sentences. First listen and read along these sentences. Yes. Good. Great. Now, folks, I want you to look at these sentences. As a scene, these sentences, there are some blanks in these sentences. I want you to use the verbs or phrases that best completes each sentence using these verbs or phrases. Yes. Okay, let's begin with you. Great. I wanted to save some money each week, so I established a saving account at my bank. You're splendid. Very good. Very good. Now let's look at the second part of it. Yes. Very good. Splendid. And the last one? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Great. Great. Thank you. Thank you, folks. Now, here we have another exercise. This time, please use these vocab that are given in mixed form. Please put these words in the correct order and make sentences. Yes? Good. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Now, folks, um, we're going to listen to our listening passage. But before going through, let me tell you something about imperatives. You know imperatives? Very good. Sometimes speakers want to give you some very good advice or tips. They use imperative words to show that the advice is very important. It might even sound like an order. With imperatives, you don't hear you. It is understood. For example, get a college degree. This is an imperative. Now, folks, listen to the excerpt from the lecture giving students strong financial advice. Write down the imperatives the speaker uses. Thank you. Okay, that's the end of our class, folks. Have a nice evening. See you tomorrow.